Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Insta Forex TV. I'm Anna Kasatkina.
And I'm Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is a combined analysis of the last week Forex and stock market trends.
What currency movement was most prominent last week, Anna?
First of all, it is the British pound. On Friday, it strengthened versus the significantly weaker US dollar above the mark of $1.51.
So what caused the growth?
Mervyn King, the governor of the Bank of England, expressed apprehension that the pound decline had been excessively fast. The American dollar traded under the pressure of disappointing consumer inflation report. The British pound, that fell versus the US dollar to the ebb since June of 2010 earlier this month, rebounded to the mark of $1.51.64 on Friday, having upmoved from the Thursday close of $1.50.81. In case the Monetary Policy Committee takes the pound decrease observed during the last few weeks as excessively fast, it is quite possible that it will decide to postpone further stimulating. The analysts consider the fact as the reason for not expecting the reports on the quantitative easing at least until the meeting in May. In addition, consumer prices in the USA added 0.7% in February due to the energy prices enhancement. The economy is predicted in advance by 0.6% for the reporting period. The euro traded around $1.30.93 after the level of $1.30.03 recorded on Thursday. The Eurozone finance ministers met in Brussels on Friday to discuss the financial problems of Cyprus, where it was offered to lay on a tax on bank deposits. The idea evoked a rush of indignation, and at the beginning of the week the euro plunged. The US dollar fell versus the Japanese yen and notched 95.96 yen after Thursday close of 96.1. That's all I have about the currency trends of the last week.
Thank you for the review of the previous week trends on Forex market, Anna.
You're welcome, Olga. How did the stock market behave?
The US stock market fell on Friday.
And what indices decreased most of all?
In fact, the fall stopped a sequence of increases of Dow Jones, the longest one in more than 16 years, and did not let the index S&P 500 ascend to the high of 2007. The bank sector of the United States demonstrated an upturn of the activity amid the results of the second stress test round held by the U.S. Federal Reserve System. Thus, the FRS approved the plans of 16 out of 18 major U.S. banks regarding their capital, shares buys, and allocation of dividends and payoffs. So, two banks, JP Morgan Chase and Goldman Sachs, are to present a new program of share allocation within the next 6 months. The shares of JP Morgan Chase slid 1.9% on Friday. Apple grew 2.6% last week, with the final value at $443.66 per unit. Friday advance of the company's shares was not even prevented by the presentation of a new smartphone by Samsung made on Thursday evening in New York. Apple rival released its new Galaxy S4 and announced about the intention to start its sales in over 150 countries in April. This is all I have about the stock market trends.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
You were watching a weekly review of Forex and stock markets on Insta Forex TV
with Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Goodbye.
See you next week. Bye.